Personalizing your Way to Be tickets. Here's a quick tutorial on how to get your name on the staff line of the Way to Be ticket. First of all, you don't have editing rights to this document, or it would change every time somebody put their name on it. So you're going to need to go up to the file and make a copy, put your name on it, any distinguishing name, and then make sure you save that to your drive so you know where to find it in the future. Once you have that saved, for some reason, I don't know the answer to this, you can't just go to insert a text box here. So we need to go down to drawing. So you're inserting a drawing, and that'll bring up a new window. Once that comes up, there's where we can insert our text box. Click on that box, and then you can draw your text box. Then inside, you're going to put your name. And I'm just to make this a little easier, I'm just going to shrink that up to be the size of the name. Then this little dot on top helps me rotate it, since I'm going to want the name vertical. From there, I click Save and Close. And it's over here. From here, I can click and put your cool name right where you need it. I was having trouble copying and pasting this, so I had to do this 6 times, once for each of the tickets that I had on the page. I think there's 6 of them on this page. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any more questions.